Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 5th, and we are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWMN, Triple Qs. Hope everybody had a very nice, safe, and long, relaxing weekend. Starting the new week, remember the markets went out pretty strong. Now, the futures traded a bit yesterday. Regular trading hours in the stock market were closed. Remember, we went out with a price spike on Friday, and the most positive response would be to open above that price spike, which is B's high for the ES and SPY, A's high for Russell, and B's high also for Qs. Right now, again, I'm doing this video a little early today as I have some things to take care of this morning. We're trading at our lows of the pre-market session right now. The overnight high right now as we speak is 382.01. The overnight low is 378.04. Any acceptance below this price spike, and again, there's not much on Friday to lean on. We did have an 8-wide point of control, which I would think we should be able to get if we get acceptance below B and inside of value from Friday, and then F, which was our afternoon pullback low. The weekly is still up, right? But the main thing, bulls want to defend last week's low, which is 372.56. Bears want to take that out to put it back into balance. The daily is in balance right now, and the monthly is still down. As far as the game plan, again, there's still about 90 minutes now prior to the opening. If we open in balance, in value, there's not much here. If you are to trade down to F's low, which if you put this into one tick increments would be around value low, I'm assuming, you can take a long against that. Any acceptance below that, I'd be out because they're going to most likely take out Friday's low. On the flip side, if you open up in this balance and then push up to B's high where there were buyers on Friday, you can look to take a short play to see now if there's sellers there. Any acceptance above B's high, again, I'd be out because then odds are we will go take out Friday's high. So that's if we open in these levels. If in the next 90 minutes we open above B's high, you could definitely take a long against that. And on the flip side, if we're to open below F's low, I'm not looking for any long then. We'll see what happens at Friday's low. Again, these are all just very early plays. And then on the chart, we'll just quickly go over it. So here's your monthly, right? We're down on the monthly. So nothing has changed there. The only way it's going to really change is to either have an inside month or take out last month's high. Weekly right now is up, even though we pushed down pretty good early last week. The weekly is still up, one time framing up for 2 weeks. And the daily is firmly in the 3-day balance, which we talked about. So we come out of that balance to the downside. That would be taking out a weekly low. You have only really 2 stop areas. You have that 370.18 low and that small gap, and then the yearly low, which would be those targets if we take out this 3-day balance to the downside. On the flip side, if we're able to take out this 3-day balance to the upside, we have the 20, which becomes a major target, and the single prints from inside June 28th. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.